Congratulations to all those who have registered for NEET 2020. You may be wondering, what to do next? If everything you entered is right while registering, then, you don't need to do anything. Simply wait till the 14th of January 2020, and print your admit card from the NTA site, which will be enabled on that date. Those who made any mistakes, don't worry, you will get enough time to correct your mistakes from January 14th till 31st of January 2020. If you have any doubt on the photographs uploaded, no need to worry. If it really has any issues, you will be notified by the NTA, through SMS, specifying the issue, and you will be asked to upload the new corrected photos. That also can be done from January 14, 2020 till January 31, 2020. Thank you, and wish you all the best.